gang? Richie here. I told you 2025 we were going to be hitting the Tracks box set, and we're doing that. So we're going to take a look at Lion's Den off of the Tracks 4-disc box set. I think this was disc 3, if I remember correctly. I could be wrong, but maybe 2, but right around there. It doesn't matter. If you got the box set, you know what I'm talking about. Outtake, might have been an outtake from the Born in the USA sessions, or right around that time frame, I think. Really straightforward, though. We got an F, a C, a G for the verse and the chorus, and then as you get into that sax solo, or we're gonna introduce we've got an A minor in there, and then there's a B flat in there for the most part. So really kind of a mix between the key of C and F, I guess, because that B flat doesn't typically go with the key of C, but it works because you've got the F and G in there and all that. So it works. So typically, when we got the bar chords on the acoustic guitar, I like to throw a capo on there. For this song, we're not going to do it. I think it works well with some of these bar chords, just to kind of give it. I don't know. I just think it lends itself better. 90% of the time, I'd go with the capo to kind of play some open chords. This will work, but we'll walk you through it again. I'll show you the chords. Kind of taking some liberties with just the strumming pattern, and what I think works is you're singing the song solo, acoustic, or as a duo, that sort of thing. And we'll go from there. Let's take a look at it. Let's go. All right, gang. We're going to take a look at Lion's Den, Bruce Springsteen. So, as I mentioned, it's really just a handful of chords. We're going to do some bar chords on this one. I think it lends itself better to the song arrangement for some reason. Just my opinion. So, the intro is just 2 chords, F and C. And again, if you're doing this solo acoustic or just acoustic duo, whatever it is, it's going to be a little bit different than how you'd be playing it with the full band and everything else kind of going on behind you there. So I'm just kind of taking some liberties with the F and the C. F, 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 C, C, C. F, 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 C, C, C. That's all I'm doing. You're going to get into the verse now. The same chord, same kind of progression for the most part. And you're going to play that F to the C 3 times. Broke my heart, tore apart, thought it was cute, thought it was smart. You play that 3 times. When you get to that the 4th time, it's hard to hear it, but I believe he's hanging on that C now for that. When you go into that 4th time around, instead of the F and the C, I'm hanging on that C to a G. 1, 2, 3. Change. And that'll be your verse throughout the whole song, okay? So if that didn't make sense, go back, rewind it. The beauty of these videos, you can go back and rewind it, but it's the F to C 3 times, then C to G 1 time, and then you're going right into the chorus, which is just the F and the C over and over. Okay, so if we're coming out of that verse, so that G will come in at the tail end of the chorus now, again, but you're not throwing that C in there like we were doing earlier as far as holding it longer. It's just F. So 2 measures for the G. So so that G does not come back into play at the back end of the chorus. So that G only comes in when you're going through the chorus halfway through. That's how the song ends, I think, too, right on that. Anyway, back to, and I'm just kind of looking at the song progression here. Intro, verse, chorus we just did. Back to the 2nd verse. We play the chorus again, and we go into the sax solo. Pretty straightforward. We're throwing a bar chord in there, the B flat. Actually, we've been doing bar chords. It's D, F right there, but with the root on the 5th string, B flat. So coming out of the chorus. So really, it's going to be just same type of progression we've been doing. We're going to go to the A minor. Okay. A minor. To the B flat. To the A minor. To the F. To the A minor. To the B flat. To the F. To the G. And that's basically it. You're going now back into the final verse, which is what same progression we've done already, which is the third verse to the third chorus. Again, nothing changes with the choruses. And then the outro is just F to the C. And I want to say you play that progression, F, C, F, C, a total of 8 times, I think. And then it just ends on the C. I don't think it ends on the G. Pretty sure it ends on the C. If not, it's the G, but I don't think it's on. So there you go. That's your tune. Straightforward. Another one from Trax. Love Trax when it came out, way back when in '98. Still love it today. Revisit it. Haven't seen a whole lot of lessons or talk about these tunes, so we're gonna tackle them in 2025. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys on the next one later. Bye.